Welcome to Big Data Now. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about ideas in data architecture right now, data mesh. You've probably heard that data lakes and warehouses are great until they get too big, too messy, and too centralized. Data mesh flips the traditional model on its head. It's about decentralizing data ownership, scaling data across domains, and enabling true self-service analytics. In this video, you'll learn what data mesh is, how it works technically and organizationally, who should consider using it, and what tools and teams need to make it successful. Let's break it down. Data mesh is not a tool or product. It's a paradigm shift in how we think about managing and scaling data. Traditionally, companies use centralized data lakes or warehouses. All data flows into one massive system, and a central team is responsible for ingesting, transforming, securing, and delivering it. But as organizations grow, this centralized approach becomes a bottleneck. Teams have to wait in line to get data. One team can't deeply understand all business domains. Scaling becomes difficult without duplication or chaos. Data mesh changes that by applying product thinking and domain ownership to data. It treats data as a product, owned by the teams who know it best. There are 4 core principles that define a data mesh architecture. 1. Domain-oriented ownership. Instead of one central data team, each domain team, like marketing, sales, logistics, owns the data they generate. They're responsible for making it available, accurate, and usable to others. 2. Data as a product. Each domain treats its data like a product. It's well-documented, discoverable in a catalog, secure, and governed, easy to use and understand. This shifts the mindset from just storing data to delivering business-ready insights. 3. Self-serve data infrastructure. Instead of building pipelines manually, teams use platforms and tooling that automate ingestion, transformation, security, and publishing. Think of it as data platform as a service. 4. Federated computational governance. Governance isn't tossed over the wall. It's embedded in the platform. AI and policy as code help enforce security, privacy, and quality across decentralized teams without slowing them down. Let's talk architecture. Traditional model. All data ingested into a central warehouse or lake. Central team writes pipelines, transformations, and governs usage. Data mesh model. Each domain builds and maintains its own data products. These live in their own pipelines or storage in cloud or on-prem. A central platform team provides shared infrastructure, ETL frameworks, catalogs, access control, lineage tracking. So instead of a monolithic data lake, you get a network of discoverable, trustworthy data products across the company. Example, the sales team owns the customer conversion dataset. The product team owns the feature usage dataset. The marketing team can discover and query both via a shared catalog. Data mesh isn't just for tech giants, it's for any organization that struggles with scaling centralized data efforts. You might benefit from data mesh if you have multiple business domains that produce and consume data. Your central data team is overwhelmed. Different teams need faster access to trusted data. You want to empower teams to build and maintain their own pipelines and analytics. Ideal for enterprises with 500 plus employees across departments, data-driven companies in finance, retail, healthcare, logistics, tech organizations adopting a modern data stack, cloud-native, decoupled, scalable. While data mesh isn't about specific tools, certain platforms can support the architecture. Data catalogs, open metadata, Amundsen, Atlan, Unity Catalog, ETL, ELT, DBT, Fivetran, Airflow, Airbyte, data platforms, Databricks, Snowflake, Google BigQuery, Azure Synapse, streaming, Apache Kafka, Confluent, Flink Access and Governance, Immuta, Okera, Monte Carlo, Calibra Infrastructure, as code, Terraform, Pulumi for provisioning environments. The key is to build a self-serve platform that lets domain teams focus on value, not plumbing. Benefits of data mesh. Faster, domain-specific analytics, higher data quality and ownership. Easier to scale analytics across teams, promotes collaboration and reuse challenges. Requires cultural and org-wide change. Needs strong platform engineering support. Governance must be automated and consistent. May take time to shift from a centralized mindset. It's not a silver bullet, but when implemented correctly, data mesh offers a scalable way to manage data in complex environments. To wrap it up, data mesh is a decentralized data architecture built on domain ownership, product thinking, and shared infrastructure. It's ideal for organizations looking to scale their data operations without creating bottlenecks. The future of data isn't just lakes and warehouses. It's distributed, discoverable, and built for collaboration. Thanks for watching Big Data Now. Hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Is your company exploring data mesh? See you in the next video.